Hello, my loyal followers. Welcome to another review. Today, I'm at a Blue Hen Cafe, formerly known as the Yardbird, and I will be reviewing the Yardbird. It is fried chicken with some Béarnaise-looking sauce on top of a bed of grits with collard greens. This is the practical portion, they said. Only 100 calories. That's why it's smaller than normal. Excuse me. Alright, I'm going to cut into this now. Wow, it seems crunchy. Seems indulgent. That's really good. Alright, now we're going to go in for those collard greens. Daddle collard greens. Oh, you might remember, I just reviewed Gas Full Service's daddle collard greens. So let's see how these compare. Those are great. Those are amazing. I said I was going to let's see how they compare, but no, they're both just really good. I'm not here to slander anyone's name. You got to realize that's not the point of this channel. The point is to make sure that y'all, the loyal fans, know what to eat. Everything I do is for you. Everything. Thank you.